So in this video, we're going to look at the filter function. I am sure you use filtering in a spreadsheet, but the filter function allows us to set up ranges with a permanent filter that looks at our source data. And in this example, I'm going to use a timesheet that a construction company use to allocate which sites or projects their team are working on. So let's go to our spreadsheet now. And when you look at the spreadsheet, we have got the spreadsheet formatted as a table. And I, of course, can go to my filter and I can click on which filtering that I want here. But when we look at site 1, this has given me a filter that is sitting there and it's using a filter function. And the filter function looks at the source data and it returns me the data sat in here so I don't have to use the drop downs. In this example over here, I've not only used the site code, but I have also used the week number as well. So you can easily do multiple criteria with your filtering. So let's go to site 2 and let's do that together. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is use the FX and I'm going to use filter and OK. What is the array? Now, remember, if you format something as a table, it should give it a table number. So I've selected it as table 1, and you could go and highlight it if you preferred. What am I including? Well, I need to now represent the filter. So I'm going to do table 1 again, and I am going to put in square brackets site, and then I'm saying that equals that code there. Otherwise, there is no data to display. And OK. So that has brought back to me all of the work. I need to do some formatting, but that's fine. I've got the data I need without having to go back and do the filtering. And the second one that I am going to do is I am going to use equals filter here. And I'm going to say filter table 1 again. And it knows table 1. So I'm OK with that. And then what I'm saying is, what am I filtering in table 1? So I do table 1 and then I put in square brackets and I can see all my fields. Site equals this one. Now, if I want to do a second filter, I have got to put that in brackets. And then we use a multiply sign to signify an and. And then I do brackets, table 1 again, and then a comma, the field name, and this is week number. And then you'll see it's coming up at the top. Okay, and that equals that. Close brackets. Otherwise, there's no data to be found, which I have to do in quotations and close my brackets for the whole function. So that's how you can use the filter function to permanently filter from a data source to save having to keep filtering it. See you next time.